In this video, we will learn how to design the iconic Larsen and Toubro logo using Microsoft PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Click on right button, go to Format Background, select Background Color. Go to Insert tab, click on Shape and select the donut shape. Hold the Shift key to draw a perfect circle. Drag the yellow dot to the left. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Select both, then align center and align middle. Select color from Shape Fill, Shape Outline, make it no outline. Duplicate the shape, rotate and set the corner of the rectangle like this. Decrease size. Duplicate the shape using Ctrl Shift. Set it like this. Duplicate again and set this corner. Duplicate it again and place it here. Select all. Deselect this. Go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Delete unwanted parts now. Select all, go to Format, go to Merge Shape and select Union. So friends, you have learned how to create the iconic L&T logo using Microsoft PowerPoint. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.